want to do this video today to see how quick I can cook pizza in the Koda. I know I don't really cook pizzas very fast, and I'm going to do this first attempt. It'll be on medium heat, but I'm going to do another attempt next week on high heat, just so I can get used to the oven and how fast it cooks the crust. This week it's medium, and I'm going to try and cook it as fast as I can. Next week I'm going to do it on full and see what happens. There's a 10% chance of rain today, and I'm using a brolly because the oven in the instruction leaflet said that it shouldn't have any moisture on it, so I'm a bit worried that it might rain, and I don't know what will happen to it if any moisture gets on it. I don't want to take the risk, so if you're wondering what this wooden pole is right next to my machine, it's the brolly, and it just gives it some protection, because I have got caught in the rain a few times with the other ovens, but they're fine, they can cope with it, but I don't know if this one can. I don't know what happens to this one if I get it wet, so I'm not gonna take the risk. I'm gonna be making like a barbecue smoky sausage pizza, which I'm not sure if I've tried before. Can't wait to give it a go. I've got the Koda up on full again, and it's burning off all the rubbish from my last cook. Ready for the Koda. So just checking the temperature of the stone. It's on the lettering, it's 415 to 421. Let me just see what's at the back. 49, 48, 5, and at the front it's 2. A lot of different numbers. I think it might be the heat coming out of the oven is affecting the temperature of this, so I don't think that's high enough. I'm just going to wait a bit more because this thing is, I think it's might be affected by the heat coming out of the oven. I'm going to sit further back. It's 3. So if the stone at the back is 500, I think it's about 420 something in the middle, so I'm going to give it a go anyway, otherwise the barbecue sauce is going to seep through my dough and I won't be able to get off the peel, which always worries me when I put this in. Okay, I'm going to use my burn your fingers peel. Oh, I forgot to turn the oven down. Oh my gosh. Big mistake. Remember to turn your oven halfway. I gotta quickly turn this before it burns now. This is quite hard to do with just one when you're filming. I forgot how hard it is to do. See, look how quick that was. Seconds on full. I can do a bit of turning. Oh, I've got a bit of breeze there, even though I actually can't feel much of a breeze. It seems to be picked up by the oven. Oh, I think I can turn with the thing. That's easier. I don't like burning my fingers anymore. Oh gosh, my crust is cooking really fast. Let's see what this is like. Put it in this way because that's where it is. And there's just one little bit there. Very quick. Oops. And see how quick? That doesn't need just seconds. I go like 5. That was 5. And that was 5. So, yeah, you need seconds for this oven to cook your pizza. So, all of it's done. I think it is. So there you are. Barbecue and smoky sausage pizza. I haven't tried this topping combination before. Have a look at the topping. That looks really nice. Everything's falling off. And I just want to show you the base. They were $4.20. This is my third cook with the Koda, so I seem to be getting a good consistent base now with the temperature on there, so I'm pretty happy with that. I'm just gonna give that a try. Oh my gosh, that's lovely. This is one of those why haven't I made this pizza before videos I've been missing out. It's done a nice leoparding on the crust. Again, this is dough that so 24 hours in the fridge, 24 hours room temperature after the fridge. Anyway, the base again, because I know that's the important part of the cook. I just want you to see if you're happy with the way that the oven is cooking the base on these pizzas. I think that's good. And then there's the crust of my dough, which I use a Panasonic bread maker to make my dough. I never do it by hand. This barbecue sauce is so yummy and it's sort of going over the crust there. It's full of flavours and the smell. See, I'm trying to get it thinner. Yeah. That barbecue sauce combo with the smoky sausage. Ooh. I think it was just like 5 seconds I had the crust against the flame to get that. So the base of this part, and that's another thing when my review of the 3 and the Koda, it really cooks. This one cooks those toppings really well. A lovely combination of flavours on this pizza, and it smells gorgeous. Very nice.